Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic measuring tool that has caught our attention, the NEIKO 01407A electronic digital caliper measuring tool. If you're interested in enhancing your measuring game, we've added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the NEIKO 01407A? This is a high-quality digital caliper that allows you to take precise measurements ranging from 0 to 6 inches or 0 to 150 millimeters. Its stainless steel construction not only gives it a sleek, polished look but also ensures durability and longevity, making it a reliable addition to any toolkit. Let's talk about some of the standout features of this digital caliper. First off, it offers a multifunction capability with a quick change button that allows you to switch between 3 different measuring modes: inches, fractions, and millimeters. This feature makes conversions quick and easy, which is incredibly useful for anyone who often works with different measurement systems. In addition, the NEIKO 01407A boasts an impressive measurement resolution of 0.0005 inches, 1/128th of an inch, or 0.01 millimeters. It also provides a high level of accuracy, 0.001 inches or 0.02 millimeters, ensuring that your measurements are precise, whether you're in the workshop or at home. The body of the caliper is designed with user experience in mind. It features a knurled thumb roller and a locking screw that ensure smooth sliding and accurate positioning during measurements. The large digital screen is another highlight, offering clear and easy-to-read results, which can greatly enhance efficiency during your projects. Now, who is this product suitable for? The NEIKO 01407A is perfect for hobbyists, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals alike. Whether you're a woodworker, machinist, or someone who simply enjoys working on home improvement projects, this tool is versatile enough to meet your needs. Speaking of versatility, it is designed for multiple measurement types. You can measure internal and external dimensions, depth, and even steps using its 2 sets of jaws and a probe. This functionality makes it a handy tool for a wide range of applications, from woodworking and metalworking to plumbing and automotive tasks. Additionally, the caliper is splash and dust resistant, making it suitable for use in various environments. No need to worry about minor spills or dust getting in your way while you're measuring. Let's also discuss practical use cases. If you're working on a woodworking project, you could use the NEIKO 01407A to ensure that joints fit perfectly. In metalworking, precise measurements can make all the difference when crafting components that need to fit together seamlessly. For plumbers, measuring pipe diameters accurately is crucial, and this tool can help achieve that with ease. Moreover, if you're a student or someone studying engineering or design, this caliper can be an excellent educational tool. It can help you understand measurements and conversions in a tangible way, reinforcing your learning experience. In conclusion, the NEIKO 01407A electronic digital caliper measuring tool is a versatile, precise, and user-friendly measuring device that can benefit a wide range of users. With its stainless steel construction, multifunction capabilities, and large LCD screen, it's designed for efficiency and accuracy in all your measurement needs. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.